ba? Yung ipakita mga McDonald's skills mo. Di ba? Nag-work ka sa McDo.
Good morning, welcome to McDonald's! Good morning po! Good morning, welcome to McDonald's! Ano pong order nila? Ano yung pagdating ko sa train, sa Makati, sabihin ko, hindi ko nga pansinin tong mga to para ma-feel nila na. Parang mapapamiss na ako, gano'n. Dati gano'n ako. Parang high school. Para hanapin naman nila ako.
That's
Parang
so
ganun.
funny.
Pero ngayon hindi ko na iisip, sino ba kayo?
Oh.
Ganun.
Bulag yun eh. Parang,
Pero ang weird na relationships eh. Bakit, paano ba, anong ibig sabihin ng compatibility? Kasi sinasabi nila, wari let's say outgoing ka, dapat tumarap ka ng partner na outgoing din, parang gano'n. Pero sabi
Hindi lagi ka nasa labas
pero
doon.
sabi nila, opposite attracts. So, hindi
Yeah.
ko gets yung compatibility na sinasabi.
ako para
Tayo
sa
nga iba.
I think you need to, in terms of compatibility, especially like in a relationship, I think you need to be compatible in like interests. I think you need to have similar interests. I think if your interests are completely different, that's when you can run into kind of issues, especially when wanting to spend quality time together, if you're just not interested in the same thing at all. But in terms of like someone being an introvert and an extrovert, I think if they are willing to be willing to adjust a little bit, I think it can work. But I don't know about opposites attract. I think when you're super opposite, I think it can be at the beginning really good because you're like really intrigued by how the other person is. But I think if you're too opposite, down the track, you're just not going to be compatible. Like it's not going to work out.
Tapos, basta, to cut the long story short, magbabayad na siya, 1K yung binayad niya. Tapos nung aabot niya yung bayad sa akin, syempre abot ko na rin yung burger. Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung 1K, hinablot niya yung burger. Tapos nahawakan ko yung 1,000, hinila niya yung kamay ko. Tapos nakaganon ako sa grill. Nakaganon ako. Nahila niya ako, tapos nakuha niya yung 1K tapos yung burger. Tapos sobrang sobrang natulala ako sa nangyari.
paano ba yung dynamics nyo?
I'm so curious.
Kami?
Ikaw ba, ano ka? As in,
Provider.
talagang full-fledged,
Oo,
gano'n,
oo,
lahat,
oo.
sa lahat.
Kasi di ba dati yung
Wow.
tita ko?
So,
Kasi
as of the
masaya na ako
moment,
ngayon eh. Oo.
as of the moment, you're satisfied.
Oo. Tingnan natin kung meron na akong ma-discover na.
Yeah.
Yun yung gusto ko. Pero ang galing ko nga mag-manifest eh. Feeling ko yung mga gusto ko na ma-manifest ko talaga.
I fully believe in manifestation, for sure.